Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to apply viewing restrictions to only some specific devices in Amazon Prime. Now let's begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. It's quite easy. In case you don't know how to log in, we have created a video regarding that as well. Initially, what you need to do is simply hover over your profile picture and your name on the rightmost section of the nav bar. Once you hover over it, something like this will open up. Well, here's the profile section and your account section. Currently, we're only gonna focus on your account section. Just above sign out, there's something like account and settings. Simply click on the button right here. Then this account and settings page will open up. Well, right here there are many tabs you can look at, but right now we're only gonna focus on restrictions. The button's right here, right next to player. I'm gonna click on it right now. Once you're in the restrictions tab, simply scroll down and right here you can see something like apply viewing restrictions to. Currently it's checked for all supported devices, but I just want to apply the restrictions to some specific devices, so let's try to do that. Initially I'm just gonna unclick this checkbox that says all support devices, and as you can see the viewing restrictions are applied to none. I'm just gonna scroll down and let's just say I want to apply viewing restrictions to this device. I'm just gonna click on the checkbox right here. Now I'm again gonna scroll down and apply the viewing restrictions of 13+, and finally scroll back down and hit on the save button right there. And guys, that's it. That's how you apply viewing restrictions to some specific devices only. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.